The chocolate cake comes out really good. It's moist and let me see. Tastes so good. Okay.
Good job,
Thank you.
bye-bye.
Talk to you later, guys. Bye. My friends, today we're going to make chocolate cake. So what do you use for the chocolate? We're using this Nesquik. Say it's Nesquik chocolate flavor. So because I don't have the real chocolate one, so we're using Nesquik. So a cup of Nesquik, a cup of flour. I'll mix it together, and then 1/2 cup of sugar, and then a teaspoon of baking soda, another teaspoon of baking powder, and then we have a teaspoon of vanilla, a little shortening, and then we have butter, 3 eggs, and then instead of water we're using real milk. Okay, I like the vitamin D, which is the whole grade milk instead of the half because I like real stuff. So now we're going to mix the 1 cup of flour and 1 cup of Nesquik chocolate flavor. So I'm going to mix this one, and it comes out like this. So mix it well. We're going to pour in a bigger pan so you can mix it better. And if you don't like the milk, you can just use water. But I like real stuff. So mix this one well. After that, we're going to melt the butter, and then 3 eggs, and then 1 1/4 cup of milk, and then mix all the ingredients together. And then put the rest of the ingredients. So it's very easy, very simple. Just like mix everything and then put in a baking non-stick dish. And then I will show you in a little bit. Let me beat the oil. I beat the eggs, not the oil, the eggs. Okay, beat the eggs. Put in here. Beat this well, and then you need to melt the butter. And I will be right back. Okay, I already mixed everything. I put the melted butter and then the milk and the eggs. So we need to blend it. Nahulog lagi. Ano man? Na, paano ko ulit eh? Bukan ka. Butang ko ng speakers. Matar. Thanks, I put the butter, the melted butter, the milk, and the eggs, then blend it together. So when it's nice and fluffy and it's look like it's mixed good, mix it well, and then after that you just have to pour in non-stick baking dish. Okay, and I'll see you in a little bit. When you already mix the all the dry ingredients and the liquid, and then you already put the walnuts, then pour into the non-stick pan and ready for baking. So after that you can garnish it with some walnuts on the top if you like, or some colored chocolate chips. So it's up to you guys, whatever you want to put on the top. The chocolate mix is ready in the oven. Bake 350 degrees for like 15 to 25 minutes, and then stick a knife or a toothpick when nothing comes, when you put it in the middle, nothing comes out, so that means it's cooked. Or you will know it's like almost like golden brown. And to make sure, just put a toothpick. When nothing comes out, we don't stick in the toothpick anymore, that means it's cooked. So here's the chocolate cake. Actually it comes out pretty good.